Tired of appointment scheduling nightmares? Let's transform your Wix website into a client booking powerhouse in just a minute and a half. First, head over to your Wix website's dashboard, look to the left-hand side and click on Apps. This will open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type in Bookings. The Wix Bookings app should pop up as the first result. Click on the Add to Site button. Wix will then install the app onto your website, which usually takes a few moments. Now that Wix Bookings is installed, you'll be taken to its dashboard. Let's set up your first service. Click on the Create a Service button. Here, you can add all the important details about the service you offer. Enter the service name, duration, price, a short description, and even an image or video to showcase it. Next, let's configure your availability. Go to the calendar settings to set your working hours and the days you are available for appointments. This is where you tell Wix when you are free to take bookings. Finally, customize the booking process. Head to the Settings tab to customize things like confirmation emails, cancellation policies, and other essential booking parameters. This ensures a smooth and professional experience for your clients. And that's it. You've now successfully added a booking function to your Wix website, allowing clients to book appointments effortlessly. Happy booking!